Quite a neat little feature that Squarespace have rolled out recently is the ability to right click on your editor. So you can right click on elements and you can right click on sections as well. And this is just a nice way to be able to quickly access editor tools without having to do more clicks than is really necessary. So what I'm going to do really quickly in this video is show you how to access that right click menu on Squarespace. Go into the editor by clicking up here, and I just right click on an element. So I hover over a block and then I right click on my keyboard. You can see that we have the right click menu here. So instead of having to, let's say, click and then click up here, I could just right click here and then delete. To be honest, it's not that much difference. It's the same amount of click. It's just a quicker access to that menu system here. And if I want to, let's say, hide this on mobile, I can really quickly, which is nice. And you can see it's not there anymore. And if I want to hide this on desktop, you can see it's done. So you can just quickly access things in this menu if you want to duplicate. What it does is it makes your workflow a lot faster. If you are building at scale on Squarespace, every sort of 2-3 seconds saved will compound over time. So that's blocks. And now if we go into sections, you see if we right click on the section, I can actually duplicate the whole section from within itself. Click again, I can save the section to the account or to the site. I can arrange it so I can move it up, I can move it down, and I can show the grid. To be honest, if I just click G on my keyboard, that is a bit easier. But you can see how quickly you can start to access things, and it's really nice to condense your workflow and just make building a bit more of a breeze on your Squarespace site. So as I say, really simple, but a very useful little tool. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.